You've done
started.
it.
Right, okay, so I now have a glamorous assistant to hold the camera. Right, okay, so this is the fork which has been removed off the old e-bikey. All the forks that I've seen on bikes generally have got big nut bolt on the top to release the spring. On this one, there's nothing. It's a sealed cap, so completely different for it's completely different for the ones that are on YouTube at the moment as well, where they've all got the cap at the top. So we'll start down here. Fork seal. This is a dust cover. So dust cover comes off. It's got a bit of kind of alloy corrosion on it, so it's been renewed anyway. Now, if you can look inside there, this is the spring holding the seal. So I'll just show you with the. So that's the spring there. The clip, sub clip there. And all you do is just take that out, lift it off, set it to the side with that's the old ones for the other shocker, and then right, so that's sealed. Allen key inside here is what's holding the whole thing together. So Allen key in there. Don't know what size that is actually. I'm sure you find it for yourself if you need to. So Allen key in there, and spanner. Big screwdriver for leverage. I don't have a work top. I've not even got my bench. My bench is up at Jan's house, so I should have thought about that before I started this. So let's see. Anybody that works in cars or bikes knows just how dangerous this is on your fingers. That released quite well. So that came off okay. You see this blue tub here, which has got the old oil, which is absolutely manky, from the other fork that I've already done. So just unscrew this, take it all the way out. This one's got a wee washer on it. Right, unscrew that. Wee bit of duct tape. Set that to the side. And then that's released the shocker. That's it, completely released now. And then what we'll do is we'll drain the oil. Which is even dirtier than the other one. It's actually grey. At least the other one was a bit brown. It's absolutely manky. I'll let the other one drain overnight actually. So the inside here is the seal, which is quite well in. And the way to get that out, now that we've got the oil and everything released, it's something like that. So that's it out, and that's what's holding all. Inside there's a spring, quite a big spring right to the top, and that's the clips for that spring. But I'm not doing anything with the spring at all, so I'm just going to leave that. Let me see if I can get this out actually, because that should have came out. I wonder why that never came out with that. just work it out. The other one just popped it, which makes me think that the other one's maybe been done in the past. So I'm trying not to mark the inside of the bore of the shocker. It's not the easiest thing to try and pop out, and you're going to be looking at this and thinking, God, what an absolute amateur. And you'd be right, I'm an amateur, never done it before, and the only reason I'm doing it is because I couldn't find anything on YouTube to help me. See if we can get rid of this. Anyway, the other side just popped straight out, stayed on the shock absorber, never had any hassle whatsoever, and it actually held on with that ring there, so I don't understand why this one's not coming out, but there we go. Still can't grip it. It's coming up so far now, I'm pushing it back in. Yay! And it's it. And there's a culprit there. That actually should have kept it in. So we'll let the oil drain out of them. But I want to look at the colour of that. That's absolutely covered in muck. That'll be clean off. The other side was much cleaner than this, and I didn't have this hassle trying to get the thing out. As I say, it just popped straight up. This is actually quite rusty. It would kind of make you think there's a bit of water in there. Maybe some water through the oil for some reason. Right, and there's the clip. I don't know if that's broken. I imagine it is. So that sits there, and then that sits on top, and that shouldn't have came out. That should just have stayed there because that ring there, so it's obviously pressed that ring in and came out. Now, let's see if I pretty much all the oil out. Nice shiny fork. And these are the reason that the thing goes in the first place, is these wee bits of rust. You get a wee bit of rust on it and it actually ends up eating through the chrome, and you end up with a wee hole, and then it just rubs up and down and up and down and up and down. It just busts a hole straight through the seal, so you end up with a burst seal. This one wasn't burst. This one was fine. It was in one piece. That was the other one that was away. But this is the one that's been in with the bother. Right, we'll come back. Once I've got this cleaned up, we'll come back and we'll go into putting the thing back together.